Looking for a vegan snack idea that's easy, quick, and doesn't require a lot of work? Only 5 ingredients? Stay tuned because today we're going to be making a healthy and delicious vegan snack. What's going on, my beautiful people? Thank you guys so much for joining me for another video. My name is Alex Scarfe, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make a 5-ingredient date ball recipe. This is a quick and easy vegan snack that you don't have to cook, and you also don't even have to refrigerate it. It's such a healthy and easy treat, and I can't wait to show you guys, so let's get in the kitchen. And real quick, if you guys are new to my channel and wondering what to expect, I share vegan recipes, vegan food reviews, vegan restaurant reviews, fitness videos, and also vlogs. So if that's something that interests you guys, make sure to click that subscribe button and also hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. With that being said, let's get in the kitchen. All right, guys, now for these date balls, like I said, they are going to be very quick and easy. So here are the ingredients that we're going to be using. I have 8 pitted medjool dates. I got half a cup of walnuts, half a cup of cashews, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter powder, and also 1/4 teaspoon of pink salt. So all we have to do is throw them into this food processor, blend them up, not too fine, and then we can start rolling them up into balls and making them. So the first thing I'm going to do, because these dates are sticky, is put some gloves on. So we just want to add the dates in there first because they are a bit hard, and we're going to start chopping them in the food processor, and then we'll add the rest of the ingredients. So here's what the dates look like. Pretty much all the big pieces gone, and we can start adding the rest of the ingredients. So I'm going to add the peanut butter powder, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then the walnuts and the cashews. And now we're going to chop them up until they all mix together. Check on them and stir them around. You guys can also use a little bit of oil so it doesn't stick as much, but I prefer to not use any oil and just deal with the stickiness. I'll go ahead and mix it again. So I didn't notice, I think I spilt some of my salt. As you guys can see here, probably half of a 1/4 teaspoon. So we're gonna put that in there. So we're gonna head and roll these up into balls. It came out nice and easy. All right, so here we just rolled it out. So now we can begin cutting them. All you gotta do is roll them up. And that's the date balls. And I'm gonna sprinkle some peanut butter powder on them just so they're not as oily and sticky, and then we should be good. So I'm just gonna sprinkle a tablespoon of the peanut butter powder on here, and then we'll roll them all around in it. So just dab them around, peanut butter powder all over them. And as you can see, they're already sticking a little bit from the dates, so just make sure that peanut butter powder coats them evenly. These are great energy snacks, guys. They got a good amount of calories in them, healthy sugars, and they got the fats from the nuts in there. Also got some omega-3s from the walnuts, a bunch of vitamins and minerals. Dates are really high in minerals as well as the nuts. And we got some protein from the peanut butter powder as well. So these are great snacks to have or take on the go, take them to work. I will just move them to a plate to make them look nicer. And there's the final product, guys. These date balls are delicious, guys. I've already eaten 4 of them. I only made 9 total, so they're probably going to be gone by the end of the night. I'll have to make some more because they are that good. And I would love to hear your guys' creations. I know a lot of people make these date balls with different kinds of variations. These were the 5 ingredients that I decided to use, and it was pretty easy and minimal. So I'd love to hear your guys' creations in the comments down below, or you can tag me on Instagram. And also, if you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Deuce.